Subscribe TechTouch channel and press the bell icon for more latest video.
Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to reset WhatsApp group link. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, open your WhatsApp, then open that group, press on group name, then select invite via link. You can see here copy link, share link, QR code and reset link. Press on reset link, press on again reset link. You can see here the previous invite link has been reset and a new invite link has been created. Then press on OK. So in this way you reset or create new WhatsApp group link. Reset or create new WhatsApp group link. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.